protein is inserted itself into a model membrane, and as a model membrane, liposomes are selected. During proper reconstitution process, the protein contains N-terminal 18 amino acids hydrophilic segments, and these are located on the outside of the membrane. Listen carefully. In a 20 amino acid hydrophobic another transmembrane segment that is flanked by negatively and positively charged amino acid and contains a C-terminal domain that resides inside the lumen. So this transmembrane domain contains 20 amino acids. These are flanked in between outer as well as inner surface, whereas inside the inner surface only C-terminal domain is present. So here is proper figure that contains outer surface charge is positive, contains N-terminal domain that is negatively charged, and rest of the 18 amino acid residues are given. These are hydrophilic in nature, whereas inner side is negative in charge. It contains a mixture of positively as well as negatively charged amino acids, so total 20 amino acids are present, and at the C terminal it contains positive charge. So this is overall arrangement of domain as well as amino acid residues on outer and inner side surface, right? So if we consider about some basic information about liposomes, then outer surface of liposomes contains in general pH is in between 6.5 to 7, whereas inner side is slightly acidic than outer one. It contains nearly pH is 4. So at pH 4 there is acidic environment, so there is increased concentration of hydrogen ions are present. So if particular group, functional group that is present on amino acids is protonated due to the presence of more amount of hydrogen ions. Now what they said is on the outer surface contains 18 hydrophilic amino acids and C terminal domain that is negative in charge, but overall charge of outer surface that is positive. So inner surface contains mixture of 20 amino acids. These are positively as well as negatively charged amino acids are present, as well as C terminal domain that is positively charged, and these amino acids are transmembrane segments, whereas C terminal domain is present inside the inner side. Okay, please remember. Now overall charge of inner side is negative. In the inner side environment pH is 4. So if protein is to be constituted properly, so for its proper arrangement it should contain more negatively charged group, because negatively charged proteins contains carboxylate ion, right? So that this negatively charged carboxylate ion in the presence of more concentration of hydrogen ions is getting protonated and converted themselves into the hydrocarboxylic acid, right? Now in the inner side it contains mixture of positively and negatively charged and C terminal domain that is already resides inside inner side, and it is already negative in charge. So if we constitute this protein in a proper manner, then if negatively charged proteins are high, then there are chances that it can constituted properly at more acidic environment rather than containing positively charged amino acids. So if we remove one by one this positively charged amino acids at C terminal domain, means at the inner side region, then rest of the negatively charged group that are present now in the inner side that is getting protonated and protein is properly constituted, that is flanked by this transmembrane segments. So outer side is negative positive in nature and inner side become total negative in nature. So among the answer options, option C suggests that if we remove positively charged amino acids from the C-terminal domain, then and then particular protein is properly reconstituted inside the liposome lumen, means luminal surface. So friends, if you think my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.